Priscilla Watrous with TK Elevator, and this is the owner's training at Mount View High School. So first we're going to start here at fire recall. If any of the smoke detectors in front of the elevator or inside the hoistway are activated, smoke, any reason, then the elevator will come down to this egress landing, the doors will open, and it'll stay like that until the alarm system for the building is reset first. And then you can come over here and reset it from here. So this fireman hat will go on. I'm going to call away the elevator so we can test it right now. So when that is activated, it's going to, we'll just wait for it to mosey on up for a second. Okay, wonderful. So the fireman hat will light up like this. And you can hear the buzzing sound. The elevator is going to come right down here and the doors will open. In case of a fire, this is the way that everyone can exit the elevator. So once the fire alarm panel for the building is reset, you can come over here with your FEOK1 barrel key, go to reset for a couple seconds, and then you'll go to on or off, and then the elevator will go back into normal operation. If anything happens to the phone line, there will be a very loud, annoying, buzzing sound coming from the elevator, and this communication failure will light up. This L206 key will be the way you can silence the annoying buzzing sound for 24-hour increments while you call your phone company. You'll definitely want to call your phone company if this happens, because if we're called out, it's billable because it's beyond what we can control, maintain. So that's, you need to call your phone company. All right, then we'll go inside the elevator. So we have used the L203 key, which is primarily the key you're going to be using inside the elevator at the car operating panel. So I've put it into independent service. That means I've commandeered the elevator. No one can call it from the second floor, and I'm sure they're probably not very happy about that right now. To utilize this, you'll put it into on, you'll touch the floor that you want to go to, and you'll hold it until the doors close and the elevator starts moving. That's how you can go from floor to floor. A good reason to use, it'll be a moment. A good reason to use this is for when you want to do some housekeeping. For example, you can see here this sill needs to be vacuumed out. That can cause an entrapment, a stalled car. And also the safety edges for cleaning these. You'll want to do that with a light, damp microfiber cloth. It's just like your garage door. You can see right now there's some construction dust on there, so after a while it will not be working. So we want to keep that clean. Anytime you're cleaning the elevator, anytime you're moving anything, or if you're needing to change out a bulb and you have a ladder set up to change out the bulb, that's very important. You have it in independent service. The FEOK1 key is what the firemen will use here to control the elevator. You've got your ADA phone right here, so it's set up to go to TK Elevator, I believe. So if in an emergency, you can get a hold of dispatch if you're in a stalled elevator, or you can test this anytime you like as well. It'll play a recording twice before the dispatcher can hear you, and then you just say, hey, I'm testing the phone. Can you tell me my location? Can you hear me okay? And they'll let you know. Enable access, that's more for the mechanic to use. And then right here we've got a cab fan that you also use your L203 key. So it's on the low setting. It's a hot day, I'm going to turn it up. All right, so it's on the high volume. And then you have an alarm bell, that's your secondary in case something's going on with the phone to alert people you're in the elevator. And that is all.